Hi girls, Latricia here again, from version 2 point of view. So let's continue with our series on the top 6 things that make a guy want to date you. And topic number 2 on our list is, have a sense of humor. From experience I can say that guys appreciate a woman who can make them laugh and see the lighter things in life. Having a sense of humor can also indicate creativity and intelligence. Therefore, especially when you're just starting to know each other, humor can break the ice and lessen a tense atmosphere. So ladies, share lots of funny stories and jokes. Don't take yourself too seriously and learn to laugh at yourself. Alright, I hope you got some new ideas from this advice. Hope to see you again soon in part 3 of the series The Top 6 Things That Make a Guy Want to Date You.